black wig, got black contacts, used some makeup, and turned into a real Korean. Annyeong, my name's... I put on a black...
I will hunt, and then I will leave. Unless I decide to stay.
Hello? This is your mother. Are you there? Are you coming home? Well, you don't know me, but I know you.
Who'd you get your looks from? You've a stunning face. I mean,
Thank you. I look just like my mommy.
Trying hard to trust you when you say give me your hand. Baby, I'm falling. I hope you catch me when I land. I think I'm in love again.
Fire alone will save our clan.
It is better to share our prey.
Shadow Clan will not forget what you did for us today.
We all decide our own destinies.
Firestar found us, and this is our home.
Are you ready to receive your 9 lives?
Come along now. Run away from the humdrum. We'll go to a place that is safe from greed, anger, and boredom. We'll dance and sing till sundown and feast with abandon. We'll sleep when the morning comes and we'll rise by the sound of the bird song. We'll be here when the world slows down and the sunbeams fade away.
Those are your children? Why do they look like... I know. They're so very beautiful, aren't they? I don't know where they get it from.
Yes, beautiful. Of course.